Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tifa. Okay guys, so today we will be doing something a little different. Today I have my cousin Ebony here. I will be doing her natural hair. Guys, I'll be putting a little color in it, and I'll be silk pressing her hair out, and also I'll be cutting her hair even because she tried to cut her hair on her own, and then she tried to get her 16-year-old daughter to fix it. Her daughter did a much better job than her. So, okay guys, so, right now I'm just coloring the hair. I'm using L'Oreal High Color. Guys, this color is for dark hair only, so you do not have to bleach your hair at all. I only left this on for about 20 minutes, either 10 or 20 minutes. We didn't want it to be really bright this time around. Eventually, we will get it brighter. So guys, this is after I washed the color out and conditioned the hair. And guys, the hair is much brighter than is showing on camera. I'm not sure why it's not coming up, but as you can see, it's really uneven. I mean, like, she about to get a Dora Bob. So right now, guys, I'm just pressing the hair out. I'm not putting any product on the hair. So I just allow you guys to see me just press the hair out. So right here, I'm finishing up the press out. And so now I'm just telling her to shake it. I'm like, shake it. I'm like, Ebony, shake it for real for YouTube. And see, and that's what she came up with, guys. She was a little stale, but she gonna get it together, trust. So now, guys, you know, now it's time for me to get scissor happy. This was a tedious cut, I cannot lie. I started it off with the scissors. And I meant business because I didn't even realize my two braids was hanging out. So I had to get the clippers. And the way she cut it, it was like she cut the shorter side. So it was really crazy. It was really I decided that, you know, I wasn't going to be able to get it to be even all around. If so, that just would have looked really crazy. But you guys, you'll see how I ended up doing the cut. And guys, if you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Okay, so right now I'm just cleaning it up with the clippers. I'm gonna have to do this a few times just to ensure that the cut is right. And guys, to be honest, I cannot stand to cut hair. Oh my goodness. Only because for me it's super tedious. Because this is someone natural hair. So I should say natural hair. I really don't like cutting natural hair. However, as you can see, I do know how to cut natural hair. I'm able to cut natural hair. But this cut was kicking my butt, guys. It was simple, but it was just that I just had to keep making sure. It seemed like if I stared at it long enough, I'll find a flaw. And then I was getting into the cut, and then I was like, oh, I kept forgetting that I was recording. because you know we have a lot of critics on YouTube, and that's fine. But you know, sometimes, you know, when you get your good duties and whatnot, you know, you do things one way even though you know the correct way to do something. So yeah, that's what I was doing with some of this cut. But it's coming along. It's coming along. And with me, I was just trying to bring it up a little at a time because, you know, once you go too short, you know, you just can't fix it. See, I had to pull the scissors back out. You can see it's uneven, but now, you know, it's looking much better. I finally got it up off of her neck. Again, shake it for my YouTube. She was much better right there. And guys, she is crazy. She would have walked out the door just like that. I'm like, oh, hell no, we can't do that. So right here, guys, what I'm doing, I'm wrapping her hair around and I'm going to put a plastic bag on it, and then I'll be sitting her under the dryer for about 15 minutes on cool. Please make sure your dryer is cool, guys, because you do not want the silk press to sweat out under the dryer. This is what it should look like when you're done. Body. Yeah, it's a lot of body. Okay, so right here, she was feeling herself. But again, I had to make it, of course, I had to make it look neat. Like so. And she was really feeling her Dora Bob. And see, now she's just being extra, and I'm loving it. I'm like, yes, shake it for the YouTube family. Ow. See, guys, remember, keep in mind, this is my real cousin. We first cousins. So, see, now she bringing my inner ratchet out. But if you like this, guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe, share. Till next time, guys.